Hello, I'm going to show you the best way I found of how to access WorldBook. And it is unfortunately several steps, so you want to make sure that you are paying attention to how to get there. So I think most of you know how to get to the Lit Lab Symbaloo. If you don't, remember on your Chromebooks, you guys have this folder here in the corner called Elementary Bookmarks. And then at the very bottom of yours would say Lit Lab. So that's how you can get to the Symbaloo. And so once we are at the Symbaloo, then we are going to be clicking on the cloud with the green check mark that says Library Catalog. Okay, so you're looking for the white cloud with the green check mark that says Library Catalog. Then once I'm here, I'm going to click on the blue words that say Superior Public Schools Library. And now here's where you really want to be paying attention so that we get to the right place. So we're going to count down 4 magnifying glasses. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then remember we're going to WorldBook. So then you're going to click on WorldBook. So I've counted down 4 magnifying glasses. And then I'm going to choose the second one under References, which is WorldBook Online. All right, then once I'm here, I know some of we've talked about this, but just a reminder, we're going to choose kids because that's going to be what's just right for kindergartners because it's great for kindergartners, for third graders, but it starts being great for kids at kindergarten. So we'll click the balloon and we'll come here. And so then whatever your topic is, I'm going to type it in the search. So let's say that I am researching Apollo. So you see I get some different choices, so I need to make sure that I take my time to choose what I think. So we're doing Apollo, the Greek god. So I know that is not the spacecraft. And mythology, yep, that sounds like the word we used when we talked about Greek gods and goddesses. So I'm going to choose that. I'm going to press the green magnifying glass again. And then I still have one more time that I have to make a choice. So you're going to have to read a little bit of the description just to make sure that that first one is the one you want. So Apollo was a god in Greek mythology. Yes, absolutely, that's what I want. So then here is your information. The thing I love about this is if I press the speaker, it's going to read it all to me. And for the most part, I'm just going to want to stay here. Now your teacher might say, ooh, we need a little bit more information. And so then I could do that right here if your teacher directs. And it's just going to give you a little bit more in-depth information. And so yet it still works the same way. So yep, Apollo, this is that Greek god I wanted to learn about. And then you can see this is definitely a little bit of a longer article, but the awesome thing, it's still going to read it to me just by pressing this play. So that's how you navigate and get to WorldBook, and I hope you have some good times doing some research.